Hello. This is part 2 of the tutorial for Eastbury, and we're going to be learning visual phonics. Okay, so visual phonics. And what that means is it is just a visual way of seeing, so you can see the sounds that are linked to the letters. It's a fantastic, and that's a sign, fantastic, by the way, fantastic and well done. Okay, well done, fantastic way of teaching teaching phonics, and you can use it with other systems. Okay, so whatever you're using, whether it's read, write, ink, or whether you're using Jolly Phonics or Thrath, and lots of different phonics, you can use this with it. Okay, so it just sort of adds to the visual element, so children can hear it and they can see it. And for deaf children, it's really important that they see it. Okay, so if you remember, I'm going to do the letters, okay, and the sounds. So if we can remember, you've got the letter A, okay, and remember that's the name. I say that's the name, and then we'll do the sound, which is the phonics, is the sound. So the name is A, and the sound is, it's sort of linked with your thumb, and you go A, 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 A. Name is A, sound is A. And they are linked. Visual phonics is linked with the finger spelling, BSL, British Sign Language. So it's quite helpful. Hopefully it will help you sort of remember. So we've got A, B, and we do B. B is the name and B is the sound. Okay. C, and we do it from here because this is where the sound comes from. So we have C, K, and it's also the same for K because they're the same sound. So it's important that they know that the C and the K are the same, and so the sound K is the same. Okay. D, and then we use this two fingers like this. You can see it too. D, D, D. With visual phonics, you can hear, if it's a voiced sound, we use 2. If it's no voice, we use 1. Okay, but you can hear it, so use your voice here. D, D, D. You can feel it, and I get children to feel it. D, D, D. That means D, D, D. Okay, so D is D. You got E is the name, E, and that's pretty easy. E, E, E. And you use the same letter, E. That's for the short sound, E. F, okay, F is the name, F, and then we do, same with the 2, we go, and it goes up and down, okay. G is the name, G, and the sound is G, G, because you can feel that's where the thing is, G, G, G. So see how it's linked, G. Then we have H, H, okay. H is the name and the sound is I'm going to go back to the start. So let's go through it so we can go through it again. Are you ready? Are you ready? That's the sign. Ready. Okay, ready? A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, E, F, G, G, H. Okay, you're doing well. Well done. Keep going. We're going to keep going. So H, I, which is the middle finger. So you think pretty easy. E, E. J, if we draw it down, J. This one we sort of do, it's like J, and it sort of looks a bit like a J. J, J, J. Okay. K, which we know is K, and it's the same. So it's the same. It's the sign for same, by the way. Same and different. So different goes apart and same together. So it's the same as C and K are the same sound. That's why they have the same phonics. K. Okay. L. Okay, L. We do. It's like your tongue. At your tongue. L. 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 Okay. For M, that's the letter. That's the name. And then, because they are nasal sounds, we do on the nose. So you do 3 fingers on the nose. And then for N, it's 2 fingers, 2 on the nose, and you make sure your lips are apart. So the children can see the difference between okay, and they know it's linked to the nose, because that's where the sound comes from. It's a nasal sound. Okay, and that's why g is a throat sound, and k is the same. So let's go back. Let's go back to H I. So we've got I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, Okay, good. Let's keep going. L, M, N, O. Same. O. O with the same finger. O. P. And we do sort of link to it because it's a silent sound. So we p, p. D is with the voice. D. And then p. So they're the same lip pattern. D. P. P. So we've got p. Then we have Q. Okay, Q. But Q actually has 2 sounds. Okay, in phonics. It's got a K. So it's a K, and this is like a W, a W, W, like a witch, W, Qu. It's got 2, Qu, Qu. So Q is Qu. 2 sounds, 1 letter. Okay. Q, R. Okay, and you just do it and you go. Let's go back. Okay, I think to O. Okay, let's do O. 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 P. P. Q. Qu. R. Okay. Then we have S with your 2 little pinkies. S, and it's little finger going S. Has 2 like F and S. S. T. T, and this one is like it sort of helps children understand how to make the sound T, because you blow down T, T, T. Okay, T, 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 U, V. Now it's like this. It's like, but it's V, and I often get children to feel the difference. V, and then they do, and you can feel the vibration in your throat, so they know the difference between, which is F, and V. Okay, they do it just themselves. They might want to do it for you first, but do it for themselves so they can hear and they can feel the difference. Then we've got W, which we said before is W. It's like a witch. W. W. X, that's got 2 sounds because Q and X have 2 sounds, 1 letter. So it's a X. X. So like a C and an S. X. X. Yeah. And then we've got Y, and that's like a Y. So you put like this, and you go out. Y, y. And then you have Z, which is the same z, and you up and down like a Z. Z. Okay. Let's go back to the start and do all the alphabet with the sounds. I'll do it slowly. Okay, I know you might have to watch this again. That's fine. Okay, so we've got A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, Z, Z. I don't scare you. I know that's a lot. It's a lot to learn. Okay, then I'll just quickly add for some of them like CH, ch. We do like the whole hand from here, go ch, from the chin, ch, ch, ch. Okay, for SH we do sh. Okay, sh. For TH, okay, if it's a silent one like thing, we just go like this. If it's with the voice, like the, we put the thumb up. If it's with off, if it's with the voice, and for the NG sound, we just do the two fingers like this, and we put to the back of the throat. That's for NG. I know that's a lot. If it is, and remember we did a, e, o, a. They're very short sounds. If they are long sounds like A, E, I, we just do it like, if you can see, I'm doing like a little I, O, U. Okay, that's for short. A, e, o, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so that's really for the short and long sort of vowels. That's pretty much all of that to start with. You just practice and do it again, repeat, and you will learn it. So if you're doing like a word like cat, cat, you do k, a, t, and or C, A, T. So you can see the difference between the spelling. C, A, T.